In my seminar, one of my participants want to buy this phone for 1 million pesos. It's because may strategy akong ginawa at kapag in-apply mo ito sa negosyo mo, your clients will literally throw money at you. Ngayon, when you buy a second-hand phone sa marketplace, that might cost you around 30,000. Tama? And at first, when I sold this phone sa kanila, pababahan sila ng presyo. Someone was even bidding for only 1,000 pesos. It's because this phone is a commodity. Ibig sabihin, you can easily buy this phone anywhere else. Tama? So what I did is I positioned it differently and I increased the perceived value of the phone. Here's what I did. Sabi ko, when you buy my phone, you're also gonna get the following. Now, first, my personal Viber number. So you can ask me questions anytime so I can help you grow your business. Second, you're also gonna get all my books and courses. Alam mo, I spent over 10 million of my own money buying every single course and book in the world, and you can get access to that in the phone. Third, you also get my seminar notes. I have flown to multiple countries around the world to steal the best marketing strategies from different people, and I'm going to give you my personal notes, including what worked and what didn't work. And lastly, you're also gonna get all my contacts in my phone, including introduction to them. So if you're looking for an investor, a mentor, a client, a supplier, I might have all the network you need. And you get all these when you buy my phone. Kaya lang, this phone is mag-iisa lang sa buong mundo. Ngayon, here's my question. If you have the money, how much are you willing to bid for this? Knowing na what you're gonna get makes you a lot more money. You might be willing to pay me millions just for this. Tama? Now, I want you to observe what I did. I just sold you the same phone kanina at ngayon. But all I did is just increase the perceived value of this phone. And suddenly, you're now willing to pay me more for this. So the lesson here is this. The reason why namamahalan mga clients mo sa serbisyo mo is because they think you're just like everyone else. But once you acquire the skill, increasing the perceived value, your clients would be willing to throw money at you para mauna lang sila sa linya.